Introducing Poshleet's cutting-edge peeler. Designed with safety and convenience. One log at a time. Get ready to be blown away by the Rotney H11D harvester, a true force to be reckoned with in thinning and light final felling operations. Featuring a robust engine, hydrostatic transmission, and articulated frame joint, the Rotney H11D excels in navigating challenging terrains with unparalleled precision and efficiency. But that's not all. What truly makes it stand out is the exceptional operator experience it provides. Step into the harvester cab and prepare to be amazed by the unmatched comfort and visibility it offers, ensuring operators can tackle any task with ease and confidence. Unleash the raw power of the Husqvarna 365 chainsaw. With its mighty 5.8 horsepower engine and a 28-inch saw blade, it offers unmatched agility and strength for handling large wood. You have to experience it to believe it. Sunlight paints the Sierra Nevada in gold as a logger's saw whispers through a majestic Jeffrey pine. It's a bittersweet symphony, a farewell to a forest giant, a prelude to 1,000 new beginnings. Well, wouldn't you know it, this man went and built himself a woodcutter right out of his own backyard. It took a bit of time to set up, but now it's as easy as pie to use and safe as houses too. I reckon he'll keep making it even better, and that's something to look forward to. This video highlights the stark contrast between the beauty of natural resources and the sometimes archaic methods used to process them. Mahogany is a prized hardwood, yet this sawmill lacks the precision and efficiency of modern equipment. The manual handling of logs is not only labor-intensive, but also increases the risk of damage to the wood. Investing in updated technology would be a wise move for this operation. Fall line ridge, you nailed it with this sweet gum log. That grain is stunning. I love that the LT10 is making sawmilling accessible to everyone. It's perfect for weekend warriors like me who want to turn those backyard logs into beautiful slabs. Sure, it's an entry-level mill, but the 160 board feet per hour capacity is plenty for most DIY projects. And with the bed extensions, the possibilities are endless. This video really showcases the power of modern sawmilling. The Bobcat T650 wheel loader is a workhorse, handling those massive logs with ease. But it's the sawmill itself that's truly impressive. The automated feeding and cutting process is incredibly efficient, minimizing waste and maximizing yield. And look at the precision of those cuts. That's some serious technology at work. John Deere 1110E? Nah, call it the John Deere Mountain Goat. Seriously, this thing laughs at hills. But your bank account might need a defibrillator after seeing the price tag. We're talking $350,000. Traditionally, debarking logs was laborious and time-consuming. However, the Meber SLH has transformed this process. This powerful machine, handling logs up to 1.2 meters, demonstrates remarkable efficiency and precision. Its adjustable heads ensure optimal bark removal across various log sizes, consistently delivering exceptional results. The SLH exemplifies how technology can streamline once arduous tasks. This short video is a stark testament to the power of technology, highlighting the gulf between traditional manual labor and the efficiency of modern machinery. However, the image of a muscular man, drenched in sweat, struggling to fell a tree with only an axe is truly a powerful one. Do you think unloading timber is easy? You'll think again when you see this. These massive logs require a specialized forklift and a skilled operator to bring them down from the transport truck. It's not easy, folks. Everything is tense, and just a small mistake can lead to an accident at any time.
Have you seen the Nava S23C harvesting head in action? It's both affordable and lightweight, yet packed with advanced features like automatic delimbing and cutting to length. What's even more impressive is its efficiency, requiring only one directional valve from the base machine and operating with just 40 L-min oil flow. Imagine the DAH boom-mounted forestry, brush-cutting mulching industrial system as the jaws of a giant clam, effortlessly gnawing through wood. Its versatility to be fitted onto various excavators or carriers with articulated masts is truly remarkable. The Vermeer SC Trim 52 Stump Cutter is a game changer for land clearing and residential projects. With the Vermeer Cutting System, VCS, 115 horsepower, 85.8 kilodollar of grinding power, and top-notch cutting dimensions, it ensures maximum efficiency on the job site. The high-speed TigerCat 2000 series shear mounted on a 720E feller buncher is a sight to behold, especially in the sandy pine plantations of North Florida. Its remarkable productivity makes it a standout choice, offering a low-maintenance alternative to traditional disc saw felling heads. With benefits like enhanced fuel economy and reduced operating costs, particularly in rugged or abrasive environments, Prepare to be amazed by Drumet machines. Renowned for their durability, precision, and exceptional performance, they're the ultimate choice for woodworking enthusiasts. Take their TT400 circular sawing machine, for example, designed to effortlessly handle wood up to 380mm thick, producing precise cuboids with ease. Need thinner planks? Look no further than the twin-shaft multi-saw WD200 240 Menners, swiftly transforming timber logs into perfect planks. And with the twin-shaft Multia WD2240M, further refinement is a breeze. From planks to strips or square timber, Drumet machines deliver outstanding results, ensuring every cut is a masterpiece.
The Dipperfox SC600 stump grinder is like a monster to any stump it faces. Why? Well, stumps are basically like tiny pencil tips compared to this beast. It's like those old school sharpeners in the classroom on a quiet test day. You know, the ones that make that terrifying grinding noise. Reforestation plays a critical role in environmental conservation and ecological balance. Forests not only provide oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide, but also serve as habitats for countless species. Plantma X represents a significant advancement in reforestation technology. Its ability to sow seeds accurately and efficiently over large areas will not only increase reforestation productivity, but also significantly reduce costs in labor. All right, everyone, hands up if you've been scratching your heads about this machine. Well, I did some digging, and it turns out it's all about growing top-notch timber. You know, the kind that's perfect for fancy furniture? The secret is to get rid of those knotholes. So you prune the dead branches, and the tree grows wider instead of developing those imperfections. Pretty clever, huh? That's the whole purpose of this machine right here. Hey guys, have you seen this awesome gadget? It's the log hauler, and it's like a superhero for your ATV. It can move huge 20-inch logs with ease. It's super nimble, and it's budget-friendly too. If you got a small workshop or you're a wood enthusiast, you've got to check this out. Whoa, this is like straight out of an old movie. The gloomy snow, those massive logs covered in white, the rusty old machines. It's like stepping back in time to when our grandparents worked in the timber industry. Anyone else getting flashbacks to their grandpa's stories? Holy smokes, working on those slopes is insane. The second that winch lifts a bit, the Bulldog doesn't just roll downhill, it freaking surfs down it. Seriously, how do they keep their cool? However, such work demands exceptional skill and composure. Safety protocols must be meticulously followed to mitigate potential hazards. Okay guys, tell me I'm not the only one obsessed with this video. The bandsaw's sound is kinda hypnotic, right? And those jackfruit logs are beautiful. Seriously, that bandsaw is insanely fast. These guys are masters. Their handwork is flawless. 3 different timber sizes, 1 log, no waste, just skill. Amazing, isn't it? That bush didn't stand a chance against that forestry mulching Barco 937. It's like using a chainsaw to cut butter. The bush turned into mulch in a blink, and the terrain was cleared in no time. I guess I don't need to say anything more about the power of the Barco 937, huh? This video is a sobering reminder of how much pent-up energy is lurking in a tree under tension, like a tightly wound spring ready to snap. It really underscores the importance of proper felling techniques, learned from a qualified professional, to safely control that power and prevent serious accidents. The Green Climber LV600 PRO is a sturdy machine built for the toughest tasks. As a remote-controlled utility tractor, it ensures operator safety, especially in hazardous and extreme sloped conditions. With options like grass or forestry flails, it's perfect for landscape maintenance, clearing road banks and motorways, or heavy-duty forestry tasks. The Green Chip 838CH self-propelled wood chipper looks like a giant beetle capable of devouring and shredding anything in its path. It's quite the sight to behold. Witness the Senebogen 860M E-Series in action at the port of Pärnu, Estonia, as it handles timber loading with its powerful 2.6 mid-geared timber grab. With a boom length ranging from 18 to 23 meters, it's lightning fast and incredibly efficient.
Prepare to be awestruck by the 240 dangle tracked harvester, a marvel in its weight class, crafted with insights from forestry pros. Weighing 50,000 pounds, it effortlessly conquers steep hills and rugged terrain with a drawbar pull ratio exceeding 1.3 to 1. Featuring the Icon electro-hydraulic control system tailored for Barco machines, it grants operators unmatched precision and customization. With dual swing drive motors delivering continuous rotation and a staggering swing torque of 50,787 foot-pounds.
Introducing the refurbished Husqvarna professional chainsaw, the beloved 371 XP. This legendary chainsaw is a masterpiece of precision engineering and advanced technology. With an impressive length of up to 105 cm, it's crafted with meticulous attention to detail, delivering unmatched wood-cutting capabilities and unprecedented high performance.
The 959mm tracked harvester is a true workhorse. With its 246 kilobarn, 330 HP of power, and a long, wide undercarriage, stability is unmatched. Maintenance is a breeze with easily accessible components, and the optional rapid cycle system, RCS, adds versatility for operators. Plus, a 30% increase in cutting swath ensures maximum productivity. This machine is a game changer in forestry.
So you're looking for a tractor that can do it all? Well, look no further than the HL21. It's compact, powerful, and versatile, perfect for any job on your list. And guess what? It gets even better. Team it up with the Woody H61 harvester head, and you've got a timber harvesting dream team. This combo is all about precision and flexibility, making your work easier and more efficient. You'll be saving time, energy, and getting the job done right, no matter the terrain. Sounds pretty good, right? It's a win-win. Holy smokes, guys, this thing is giving me the creeps. Talk about judging a book by its cover. This wood chipper might look cute, but it's got the strength of a freaking giant. It can shred trees up to 200 mm thick and spits out 14 cubic meters of wood chips per hour. Check out the video, and you'll be scared stiff too.
Introducing Poshlite's cutting-edge peeler. Designed with safety and convenience in mind, it effortlessly transforms logs for optimal use. This high-quality machine guarantees seamless operation, streamlining every step, even pointing. Featuring an adjustable feed, operators can tailor surface quality for swift results. With impressive N9 run speeds per minute, it effortlessly handles logs up to 15 cm in diameter. Plus, its built-in push fan automatically removes processed chips, simplifying the entire peeling process. Trust me, with this machine, peeling becomes a piece of cake. With the assistance of the Caterpillar DR6 bulldozer, the heavy-duty truck carrying hundreds of tons of timber effortlessly conquers the muddy incline. Truly powerful. The whole tree harvester is simply mind-blowing. Watching this colossal machine devour the entire forest in seconds is nothing short of awe-inspiring. It's like watching rows of wheat being effortlessly harvested. Incredible. Get ready to be amazed by the Cambio 800, a heavy-duty, high-speed debarker that's changing the game for sawmills worldwide. With its ability to handle logs of all sizes, including those up to 795 mm in diameter, this machine is a powerhouse of efficiency. Its triangular feed works and carbide-tipped debarking tools, powered by compressed air, ensure top-notch results every time. Plus, with a maximum feed speed of 120 meters per minute and a robust rotor motor of 75 kilobars, it's as powerful as it is reliable. Witnessing the Cambio 800 in action is nothing short of breathtaking. It's revolutionizing the industry, one log at a time. Check out the Forstmulker AHY M650. It's effortlessly shredding through that dried tree stump like it's nothing. Incredible power.
The VM60SR is a high-performance forestry mulcher designed for efficient land clearing and vegetation management. Its powerful cutting system rapidly processes trees and brush, creating valuable mulch that promotes soil health and supports reforestation efforts. Think of it as nature's reset button, clearing the way for a whole new ecosystem. No way. If I hadn't seen this Valmet 840.3 in action, I'd never believe this road was meant for hauling. Thick mud in some spots even swallowing the wheels. The operator must be a freaking magician, and the power of this Valmet 840.3 is just mind-blowing. Like Jeremy Clarkson would say, what a machine. Check this out, guys. It's like magic turning bamboo strands into super strong outdoor decking. So cool, right? Talk about jaw-dropping efficiency. After these lumberjacks took down a colossal 200-year-old tree, it's time for the extreme dangerous monster stump removal excavator to show its might. With ease, it tackles the sturdy tree stump, leaving no trace behind. Simply mind-blowing.
Get ready to be wowed by the Rotney H21D Harvester, a powerhouse designed for ultimate efficiency in final felling operations. Built to thrive in dense forests, this harvester boasts impressive stability and robust power, ensuring optimal performance even in the toughest conditions. Equipped with a powerful diesel engine, this harvester generates high torque across all RPM ranges while remaining remarkably fuel efficient. Customers rave about its fuel economy, with consumption reported as low as 0.35 liters per sub. And here's the icing on the cake. Requiring only a 2 to 3% mixture of AdBlue further enhances its efficiency, making the Rotney H21D a true game changer in the forestry industry.
The Ponce Buffalo Forwarder is a highly capable machine, engineered to excel in demanding forestry operations. Its impressive 14-ton payload capacity and adaptable crane reach make it ideal for diverse terrains. The operator's comfort and safety are prioritized, ensuring optimal productivity. While the initial investment is substantial from $300,000 to $500,000, the Buffalo's fuel efficiency and robust construction translate to long-term cost savings. It's a sound investment for any forestry enterprise. Whoa, check out this wild ride. Hauling timber on snow road is no joke, but this driver's making it look easy. Or maybe a little too easy. You know, it's all fun and games until someone slides off the road. Better safe than end up like this, right? I have no complaints about the logger's skills. He did a fantastic job. But that cameraman, standing within the tree's falling zone during the cut? Maybe I'm being too critical, though. What do you guys think? Hit me up in the comments. That bush didn't stand a chance against that forestry mulching Barco 937. It's like using a chainsaw to cut butter. The bush turned into mulch in a blink, and the terrain was cleared in no time. I guess I don't need to say anything more about the power of the Barco 937, huh? This video is a sobering reminder of how much pent-up energy is lurking in a tree under tension, like a tightly wound spring ready to snap. It really underscores the importance of proper felling techniques, learned from a qualified professional, to safely control that power and prevent serious accidents.
The JD7730 paired with the Rotor S stump cutter by Ferrorotor and Penda KFT is a force to be reckoned with. It effortlessly transforms tough tree stumps into fine wood chips, showcasing its immense power and efficiency. Truly impressive. In Sweden, the Tigercat 1075C is a true marvel in the world of delivery vehicles. Built to transport hefty loads of up to 20 tons, it primarily serves the wood industry with unparalleled efficiency. Designed to thrive in the toughest off-road conditions, this machine is a powerhouse of performance. Check out the high performance of our MBR900 drum cutter in this special application from Australia. Bell's 8000 circular saw firewood processor with its mighty 125 HP electric engine is a marvel to behold. Imagine the roar of that engine as it effortlessly slices through logs, turning them into perfect firewood pieces. It's not just a machine, it's a symbol of efficiency and power in the world of firewood processing.
The combination of the Epsilon timber and recycling crane Epsilon M12Z mounted on the MAN 6x6 tractor unit proves highly effective in completing the entire task of loading and transporting timber. Step into the future with the Meteor VTZ Sawmill Factory, a cutting-edge marvel of automation. Equipped with double chipper canters, quad and double vertical bandsaws, this fully autonomous facility optimizes every step of the process. Using advanced scanning and automatic optimization, it achieves maximum recovery while edging up to 40 boards per minute with the VR A40F edger. What's truly mind-blowing? Its staggering production capacity of up to 500 cubic meters in just 8 hours. The Meteor VTZ Sawmill Factory isn't just revolutionizing sawmilling, it's defining the future of the industry. I love the practicality of this mobile sawmill, handling raw logs up to 5.20 meters in length. It saves on transportation costs, boosts productivity, and generates profits. Congratulations. Imagine a tree as a giant Jenga tower, each branch and knot a potential point of collapse. You're the player, carefully removing pieces, trying to control the fall. But remember, even the most skilled Jenga player can't predict every outcome. That's why having an escape route is crucial. Even when you think you're doing everything right, the tree can fool you. If these coastal pines could scream, they'd be shrieking when the C-144 harvester rolls into town. It's like a facehugger on steroids, only instead of laying eggs, it's harvesting timber at a ridiculous 75 cubic meters per hour. Forget chainsaws and axes. This thing makes logging look like a leisurely stroll through the woods. Time to retire those old tools and let the C-144 do the heavy lifting. Oh Oh my goodness, I initially thought it was impossible, but seeing the Bandit 21 XP chipper in action, smashing through a crane job in Australia with extremely dense and hard timber, is absolutely mind-blowing. What a beast. Wow, have you seen that excavator with the stump shear attachment? Stumps and roots don't stand a chance against it. It can clear your property of scrub brush and tree stumps in no time, thanks to its powerful performance and efficiency. Wow, this forestry worker is operating with incredible efficiency, cutting down 6 large trees in just 2 minutes and 30 seconds. That's truly impressive. When it comes to logging, you can't overlook the TigerCat 724G. Renowned for its prowess in handling tough terrain, this machine is a game changer in the field. With improved weight distribution, balance, and impressive features like a large diameter wood application capacity, it's no wonder productivity soars. And in the heart of Georgia, a TigerCat 724G equipped with a 5702 felling saw is making light work of harvesting large hardwood. The 570 fixed head design is a game changer, combining the best of 2 proven technologies, the TigerCat 570 harvesting head and the TigerCat 340-degree wrist. With its durable, high-performance features and a wrist float standard, it offers maximum dexterity and control for precise tree felling and feeding. Like all Husqvarna chainsaws, the 3120 XP boasts superior power-to-weight ratio. With smart start and well-developed anti-vibration and ergonomic features, this large chainsaw is both easy to start and operate. The Ponce Ergo Harvester has earned its reputation on thinning and regeneration felling sites worldwide for its reliability and dependability. With a turning angle of 250 degrees and crane reach options of 8.6 meters, 10 meters, or 11 meters, it offers versatility for various forestry operations. Plus, the Ponce traction assistance winch ensures high productivity, especially in steep ground operations. It's a true workhorse in the forestry industry. Introducing the BioJack 400 Combi, the ultimate forestry attachment for excavators, tailor-made for North American tasks. Priced at approximately 18,000 euros, this game-changing gear revolutionizes tree clearing operations with its unparalleled efficiency and effectiveness. With the BioJack 400 Combi, cutting and handling trees has never been easier. Its innovative design empowers users to tackle forestry tasks with precision and speed, making it a must-have tool for any forestry operation. Say goodbye to traditional methods and hello to a new era of efficiency with the BioJack 400 Combi.
oil and fuel costs soar, governments and industries are urgently seeking alternative energy sources. Wood chips have emerged as a promising option for power generation. Vermeer Forestry Equipment's WC2300 XL Whole Tree Chipper offers a powerful solution. With variable speed, dual in-feed conveyor chains, and smart crush technology, it handles materials efficiently, turning logs and slash into valuable end products. Plus, its easily replaceable wear parts make maintenance a breeze, making it both practical and cost-effective for wood chip production. Really impressed by the use of an excavator to remove a tree stump. The new Costa stump pullers, splitters for 16 to 28-ton excavators, are specially designed to handle even the toughest woods like eucalyptus. The TW RTD3 Toto 6 with twin grapple is an absolute beast, and it's saving a ton of time. Its primary task, truck unloading, is handled with incredible efficiency. Whether it's grabbing the entire bundle in one go, or with TW's patented twin grapple, even handling 2 truck bundles simultaneously, it's all about maximizing productivity and getting the job done swiftly.
The use of heavy machinery like the giant D8 dozer for deforestation is a double-edged sword. While it efficiently clears vast areas of dense forest to make room for agriculture, it comes at a significant cost to our environment. In 2022 alone, a staggering 12.7 million hectares of forest were lost, primarily to meet the demands of crops like soybean, palm oil, and cattle farming. The method of chain brushing, albeit effective, leaves behind a trail of destruction, uprooting trees and vegetation indiscriminately. It's undeniably fascinating to witness the sheer power of these machines in action, but we must also recognize the irreversible damage they inflict on our planet's biodiversity. Whoa, this is like straight out of an old movie. The gloomy snow, those massive logs covered in white, the rusty old machines. It's like stepping back in time to when our grandparents worked in the timber industry. Anyone else getting flashbacks to their grandpa's stories? Holy smokes, working on those slopes is insane. The second that winch lifts a bit, the Bulldog doesn't just roll downhill, it freaking surfs down it. Seriously, how do they keep their cool? However, such work demands exceptional skill and composure. Safety protocols must be meticulously followed to mitigate potential hazards. Okay guys, tell me I'm not the only one obsessed with this video. The bandsaw's sound is kinda hypnotic, right? And those jackfruit logs are beautiful. Seriously, that bandsaw is insanely fast. These guys are masters. Their handwork is flawless. 3 different timber sizes, 1 log, no waste, just skill. Amazing, isn't it? The Ponce Elk KK90 exemplifies the synergy achievable when cutting-edge technology meets skilled operation. Its power and agility, coupled with the operator's expertise, transform timber handling into a seamless process. The rapid loading of 19 logs into the trailer underscores the machine's efficiency and the operator's proficiency. This is a testament to maximizing productivity while minimizing time expenditure. Ever seen a chainsaw on steroids? That's the Deming Logging Show in a nutshell. It's where lumberjacks turn into rock stars, and chainsaws become their screaming guitars. Watching those guys wrestle a V8-powered saw through a giant log is like witnessing a man tame a wild beast. It's raw power and precision, and it'll leave you buzzing for days. Holy moly, that's like a scene straight out of an action movie. Those logs are giants, the river's a beast, and that truck's dancing on the edge. Those drivers must have nerves of steel and reflexes like lightning. It's terrifying and thrilling all at once. A real roller coaster of emotions. The video you are watching shows logging activities in Grand Rapids, Minnesota, USA. This is what I call teamwork. It's like a symphony of efficiency, with each person and machine playing their part perfectly. I'm getting inspired just watching this. Imagine what we could achieve if we brought this level of coordination to other industries. The possibilities are endless. If you're tackling the biggest logs in a high production setting, the HF800 2-speed cone log splitter from US Pride is a must-have. With its 2-speed motor, skid loaders, wheel loaders, and excavators can power through the toughest wood effortlessly. And when paired with an excavator, its efficiency becomes even more formidable. This sharp wood-splitting machine is a game-changer. The best magic trick ever. Watch as the Moorbark drum chipper makes a 60-foot tree disappear in just 15 seconds. It's like something out of a magician's wildest dreams.
Wow, that Alice Chalmers dozer tackling that massive burr oak is impressive. Even with its 45,000 lbs weight and torque converter drive, it's a reminder of nature's power. Sometimes you've got to dig around the roots and pile dirt for leverage. What a sight. This ATV log hauler is genius. No more chainsaw killing sand. With manual or electric winches, 2 load securing methods, and optional rear support, it's versatile and efficient. Plus, it has a 500 kilogram load capacity and comes with tie-down chains and straps for safe transport. Brilliant. I'm truly impressed by the West-Tech Woodcracker Jum 1000 attached to the mobile chipper. It's like having a 3-in-1 tool at your disposal. What a versatile piece of equipment.
Whoa, that John Deere 1470G is a beast. I've run a lot of harvesters, but this one takes the cake. That CH9 boom is incredibly precise, even with massive trees. The H425 head is a workhorse too, chewing through timber with ease. It's a perfect combo for high production logging. If you're looking for a machine that can handle anything you throw at it, this is the one.
I was blown away watching the lumberjack take down a 200-year-old tree. I loved how they carefully wrapped chains around it to prevent it from splitting because of all the rot in the middle. The tree was already dead before they cut it down.
Meet the Senebogen 718 e-material handler for tree care, your ultimate ally for demanding projects. Whether it's landscape maintenance on bustling streets, fuel timber harvesting, or precise pruning near power lines or forest paths, its maximum reach of 0 to 13 meters makes it the perfect partner for any task. Holy smokes, that skitter's hauling a mountain of timber. It's like a little ant carrying a massive leaf. Makes you wonder if it's even safe, but man, it's an impressive sight. Sustainable forestry isn't just a choice, it's our responsibility. Let's protect our forests, not just for us, but for everyone who comes after.